Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Microsoft Azure Developer, Managing Microsoft Azure AI Solutions. Companies and governments around the globe are pouring billions of dollars into AI. The projects are getting ever interesting and more complex. It is therefore natural to conclude that these projects need management. In this course, I assert that an AI project is like any other software project, and the need to manage it with good software practices is more, not less, important. With demos, I show you how you can use concepts such as Azure CLi, the ML SDK, ML Ops to fully automate your end-to-end process. With examples and plenty of hands-on demos, I show you how you can set up an Azure DevOps pipeline to go from an experiment to a service. But the fun doesn't end there. I then show you how to deploy your model as an AKS cluster and enable data monitoring and collection in production so you can use that data in numerous ways to analyze it or feed it back into your model for subsequent improvement. By the end of this course, you will have an in-depth understanding of how to manage your AI projects like a proper software project. Concepts such as MLOps and pipelines will be second nature to you, and you'll be a pro at collecting and monitoring your production AI solutions data. I hope you find this course useful, and thank you very much for watching.